Oh, she'd blow into the room like a soft mistral breeze on an August summer day, scented, gentle. She'd caress and kiss our skins, cool the blood, and just steal our souls away. Her words, they'd enter your brain like a melody of music, falling into that rhythmic refrain. When you looked into those eyes, it was like a warm summer sun coming straight from Spain. We all thought that we were so in love. And then she'd temper like some madwoman from Morocco, bringing fire and blood rain, like some out-of-control Sicilian Scirocco, slamming the doors and rattling the panes, smashing our flower pot hearts into pieces and washing them away like biscuits in the rain.